Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, we're just going to continue unboxing some more of my Greenlight Collectibles vehicles. I've got a 2024 Transit LWB high roof van. I've got a 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe police pursuit vehicle. I've got a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Narbeth Ambulance Special Operations. And one of my all-time favorites from Greenlight Collectibles is this 2020 Police Interceptor utility vehicle. And I've also got a 1991 Chevrolet Suburban Ambulance Glacier County EMS Cutbank MT. Alright, let's look at them one by one. Okay, the first vehicle today is a Greenlight Collectibles Hot Pursuit Series, a 2024 Transit LWB high roof. It's a Terre Haute Police Department out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Pretty solid metal, vehicle and chassis, pretty well detailed, awesome livery. Alright, let's get him out of the box. Okay, that's the car out of the blister packaging. Once again, a beautiful release from Greenlight Collectibles. I always keep saying I love service vehicles, so I've just been collecting over the last few years. So it's police, Terre Haute, prisoner transport, respect, fairness, and integrity. Awesome, guys. Beautiful Ford logo. Prisoner transport. It's just beautiful. Okay, let's put him on the turntable. Okay, next car we're looking at, or next vehicle, police vehicle, is a 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe police pursuit vehicle. I think it's a state trooper. Yes, it is. It's part of a 100-year Delaware State Police Centennial Anniversary Edition. It's got some nice, beautiful dark navy blue and yellow highlights with some special anniversary livery. I think it was from 1923 to 2023, 100-year anniversary edition release. Looks pretty neat. As always, wonderful releases from Greenlight, guys. They do awesome justice to service vehicles. Okay, let's get him out of the blister pack and take a closer look. That's the vehicle, guys. A beautiful Chevrolet Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe. As always, just a fantastic finish. And I think in my previous videos I was kind of wrong about the tires. They are hard rubber. They're not really plastic like Hot Wheels, but pretty firm. Yeah, they're beautiful, guys. As always, they never miss anything at all. Beautiful, heavy metal body, metal base chassis, side mirrors, chrome painted, siren lights, Chevy logo, awesome livery. This one's just got painted headlights, but no complaints. They're always detailed, highly detailed. So yeah, pretty impressive for a 1/64 scale. And look at that awesome metallic navy blue color. Alright, let's put him on the turntable. Alright, moving on guys. The next vehicle is a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. It's part of Greenlight Collectibles First Responders series. So more like an ambulance. It is a service vehicle, but not a police utility or police vehicle, but actually an ambulance. Alright, let's take a closer look. I'm just doing a quick overview of the detailing. It's pretty true to the actual thing itself. Alright, let's get him out. Here it is guys. 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. Narberth Ambulance Special Operations. Utility 313. This is just beautiful. It's got a nice couple of side steps, some siren lights. Oh, look at that guys. Chevrolet logo as well as the brand name across the front grille. It's got Narberth Ambulance. Side mirrors, side steps, wheels, metal base. Okay, narberthambulance.org. And the previous similar model had this detachable. Oh, this one is too. There you go. It turns into a pickup truck, guys. It gives you a different look when you've got the cover on. This is beautiful. And these Greenlight releases are quite heavy, guys. I know the fact that they're both metal body and metal base chassis, but they do feel heavy. Alright, time for the turntable, guys. Alright guys, the next one in today's unboxing video is a Glacier County 1991 Chevrolet Suburban Ambulance, cut bank MT. I'm guessing that's Montana. Looks magnificent, guys. Look at the detailing, guys. Grille, siren lights, license plate. Awesome livery. License plate, ambulance, siren lights. Alright, let's get him out of the pack. Would you look at that, guys? Chevy Suburban. Awesome. Glacier County EMS. Emergency medical services, dial 911 A1. Beautiful rims and tires. They've got a nice golden Chevy logo, license plate, headlights, grille, chrome grille. It's got some speakers on top, probably for the siren. It's quite nice. This is just magnificent. Okay, I'll put him on the turntable. Alright guys, the last vehicle in today's unboxing video is my all-time favorite. Give it up for the 2020 Police Interceptor utility. One of the most popular and common service vehicles used by all states in the US. I've been wanting to do the unboxing for a couple of years now, but just didn't have time and couldn't be bothered because I was just too busy collecting various models. But finally, thank God, I'm able to get him out of the pack, take a look at it closely, and just admire it. I'll put him in my showcase once I'm done with the unboxing. Alright, without further ado, I'll get him out of the pack. Would you take a look at that, guys? 2020 Police Interceptor utility. Just absolutely splendid. I'm just so excited, guys. Siren lights, beautiful Ford logo, plastic headlights, awesome livery. There's siren lights on the side mirrors as well, blue and red. Beautiful bar siren lights, chrome mirrors, side mirrors, a US flag, 911, police interceptor, tail lights, license plate, just got Ford on it, Ford logo. Metal base chassis. To protect and to serve. Okay, I'll put the last one on the turntable. Alright guys, that's the end of today's unboxing video. Another one from my Greenlight Collectibles collection. We've had a look at 2 Ford service vehicles and 3 Chevys. We had a look at the Ford Transit LWB. We had a look at the Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Silverado, Chevy Suburban, and my all-time favorite, the Ford utility vehicle, Police Interceptor utility vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Please do like and comment and subscribe and share it with your family and fellow diecast enthusiasts and friends. Stay blessed. God bless you all. And I'll catch you guys in my next unboxing video. Thanks, guys.